things that some people thought were just inflammatory campaign promises that would get him elected are now happening within the first week of him becoming president. Today, build the wall. Extreme vetting. Remember, it was December of 2015. He said, we got to figure out what the hell's going on. Well, that goes in today with an executive order. He's doing all the things he said he was going to do.
The incoming is unbelievable.
And if the reports about what he plans to do today are true, I think they're extremely dangerous for the United States of America.
Which reports specifically?
The reports that he's going to restart the interrogation techniques offshore that the CIA conducted earlier before the Obama administration. The idea that he's going to shut out refugees. I mean, this is the shutting out. There are 8 million children in the world right now who are refugees. 8 million. And if you shut out Syrian refugees at this moment, it's like shutting the Jews out during World War II.